Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log in to Credit Karma. So to do so, just open any browser. I'm going to be using Safari. So after you're in your browser, just type in Credit Karma. Now you can see in the first link, it's called Credit Karma. You can just tap in. And now right below sign up, you can see the option login. You just need to tap and log in. And now just write down your email and write down your password. And then tap in login. And then you can be able to log in to your Credit Karma account. So guys, that's how you log into your Credit Karma account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.